In this video, I want to go over a trending TikTok shutdown niche that not too many people are noticing. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content, you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you that trending TikTok shutdown niche, just want to do a quick sales update for merch by Amazon. So it is currently Sunday, January 19th, 6:08 a.m. in the morning, sitting at 3 sales. And yesterday I did 41 sales, $44 in royalties. That is going to put me at 644 sales for the month and $651 in royalties. And then for Etsy, I actually had a pretty big day on Etsy yesterday. You can see yesterday, January 18th, I did $349 in revenue. So that is revenue, it's not profit. I had someone buy 16 t-shirts from me in one order. So I had a big order and I made a nice chunk of change on that order. So that was pretty cool. That is actually going to put me at, for this month, we will see here, for revenue, 1,346. And if we go like this, we can see that big spike that I had yesterday, but I'm actually down 16% from last year. So I'm glad I got that sale because that is going to help things out. Now, if you want to follow me on Instagram, I post my daily sales for both merch by Amazon and Etsy. The link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, lifestyle pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 19 years. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of this video and talk about this trending TikTok shutdown niche that not too many people are noticing. And the way that I actually found this niche is from an email that I received from someone that I have been following for a long time called Michael Essany. I think that's how you say his last name. He's been a mentor of mine ever since I got onto Merch by Amazon about 7 or 8 years ago. I started following him on Facebook, joined his group. I just really liked his message. I really liked the things that he was saying. He's a very smart, clever guy. I started signing up to all his weekly newsletters, his monthly newsletters, buying all his products that he was selling on Gumroad. And, you know, a lot of things that I have learned or that I teach on this channel, I actually learned from him. So I get these emails from him every now and then. And this one right here is talking about this cat tax. And that's the niche right there. And the reason that this is trending or has to do with TikTok is because, and I'll just read it to you, is that the cat tax trend is a golden opportunity for t-shirt creators because it perfectly blends culture exchange, internet humor, and the universal love of pets. Born from interactions on RedNote, a platform popular in China, the cat tax emerged when Chinese citizens humorously requested new American users to pay an imaginary tax by sharing pictures of their cats before they could fully integrate into the app's community. So basically, people are getting banned on TikTok, so they're moving over to RedNote, and so the Chinese app is making the Americans post photos of their cats if they want to get into RedNote. At least that's how I'm understanding it. The trend backdrop makes it even more appealing. Amid concerns about a potential TikTok ban in the U.S., many Americans users migrated to RedNote, discovering a warm, humorous welcome from Chinese users. Beyond cats, the tax could also be paid with pictures of dogs, rabbits, plants, or even favorite flowers. I'm going to talk about that here in a second. This inclusively makes the concept broad and adaptable, traits that translates well to scalable t-shirt design. So this can be scaled as well. And why this niche works, I'm gonna show you what the designs look like here in a second. I just want to kind of talk a little bit about the niche. So why this niche works for t-shirts, it's universally relatable. Everyone loves a good cat meme. I mean, cats is probably like the all-time best niche on Merch by Amazon. It's up there with like dogs, video games, teachers, nurses, things like that. It's humorous and trending. The phrase has a meme-like quality that makes people smile, has a wide audience appeal, cultural exchange, and scalable messaging, like I talked about with the dogs, the plants, other types of animals. Now I won't get into this, I feel like I'm just kind of like repeating myself, but I want to talk about some type of quotes that we can use. So in this email, he gives us some phrases that we can use, and I won't get into all of them because, I mean, he's so clever. He gives us like 20 of them, or close to 20. I'll just share like the first 5. I paid my cat tax, did you? Cat tax, the only tax I enjoy paying. No scrolling without cat tax payment. Officially compliant, cat tax paid in full. So that's kind of like some information about the niche, why the niche is trending, and some example quotes that we can use. Now let's go ahead and jump on over to Merch Dominator and just do a little more research on this niche, this trending TikTok ban niche, and see what the competition is. So I'm here on Merch Dominator, product search, cat tags, newest, and then click just Merch by Amazon shirts and take a quick sip of coffee. And we can see the first thing that I like to look at is the competition. So only 101 results. And here are what some of the designs look like right here. So I paid my cat tax. When in doubt, pay your cat tax. And if you remember Childish Cat Ladies, you know, that came out like last year right before the election. So anytime there's something going on in the news and it's cross niche with cats, you know, that could be a really good opportunity for us Merch by Amazon sellers. So show me your kitties, you got to pay the cat tax. Pay in meows, not money. Cat tax rules. So there's a whole bunch of phrases that you can use here. Now I have not seen any with BSRs yet, but you know, this email just came out, or this trend just started yesterday. And a lot of the times, in my experience on Merch by Amazon, you know, I see a trend start to, you know, pop off, lots of designs being uploaded, and there's no BSRs. And sometimes I've thought to myself, well, oh no, this niche sucks. You know, no one's buying this, so I will skip it. And then I will come back a couple days later and I'll see some like ridiculously low BSR. So do not be surprised if in a couple of days you see some really good BSRs for this niche. Here are some more ones. This T doubles as my cat tax receipt. Pause off until you pay the cat tax. I paid my cat tax with Chinese. Okay, so these are what some of the designs look like. Here are some of the phrases. If the person who uploaded these ones is watching, one good tip is that you want to make it bigger and it should be up higher. You know, it's right in the middle and it's kind of small. It needs to be more kind of like, you know, this right here. It needs to be higher up on the t-shirt and it needs to be larger so that people can see it. Just one little note that I saw when I saw these t-shirts. But if I were to attack this niche, the way that I would do it is I would put up not just cat niches, but also dog niches. I remember I did that with Childish Cat Ladies. You know, everybody was doing the Childish Cat Ladies, and I did do Childish Cat Ladies, but I also did Childish Dog Ladies. And I got one to actually rank and do pretty well and make me some good money. So, you know, the majority or almost everybody's just going to be doing cats, but also focus on dogs. You can do other animals as well. Just do a Google search for like popular, you know, pets. You know, you're going to have rabbits. Just do a quick Google search to get some good ideas. But again, here what some of the designs look like. You know, with the cat niche, you can just get so creative, so many different options. Now, I did go ahead and make some designs very quickly on my Creative Fabrica shop. So here is me on my Creative Fabrica shop. The link is in the description. I made these on IDEOGRAM. And right here, we're going to see cat tax evaders will be clawed. So that's kind of a funny one. Your cat tax invoice is overdue. And I paid my cat tax. Did you? Let me know, comment below what you think of these designs. I decided to go with a fat cat instead. I thought that was kind of funny. So that is the trending TikTok ban niche that not too many people are noticing about. Low in competition. It's trending in the news. It has to do with cats. Could be a really good recipe for success for on Merch by Amazon. And let's go ahead and take a look at a couple other resources here that I want to share with you. So these are resources that I'm actively using on Merch by Amazon to get me sales like this on a daily basis. $55, $29, $47, $33. And you know, really the reason my royalties are so low right now is because, you know, I'm just pricing low. I'm just waiting for some designs to get some reviews, and I'm going to bump them up, and hopefully, you know, next month or in March we'll start to see, you know, closer to, you know, $100 like I used to be doing last year. But if we take a look at some of these resources or these affiliate links that I have here, well, this first one is going to be for AI prompts. So I have a whole bunch of AI prompts for IDEOGRAM. The first 3 are free right here, but I also have some paid ones, pretty cheap. So like I got 10 Pi Day prompts. I'm actually going to make a video about this one tomorrow. Fishing prompts. But the ones that would probably make the most sense for right now would be 100 Days of School, St. Patrick's Day, Mardi Gras, and Valentine's Day. And if you click on these thumbnails right here, you can go ahead and you can copy and paste this URL into your browser, and you can actually watch my YouTube video about these prompts. You can see what the designs actually look like. I also have this one right here, which is a really good value. It's 500 evergreen prompts. I basically took this one right here, this one, and the one on the next page, bundled them all together, this animal one, and made a bundle of 500 evergreen prompts. And then I also have this one right here that would make sense, which is going to be for March. So it's going to be on the next page right here. So if you're interested, check out these prompts, 100 prompts for February, 100 prompts for March as well, with somewhere on the next page. You just got to do a little, you just got to find it. Where the heck is it? Okay, for some reason I can't find it, but it's there. Okay, the next resource or affiliate link that I want to share with you is going to be IDEOGRAM. So in my opinion, you know, I highly recommend you have IDEOGRAM or some other type of AI creator tool. I saw that Kittle just came out with a 2.0 version, so maybe that could work. Me personally, I like to use IDEOGRAM, and if you sign up to IDEOGRAM using my affiliate link, let me get my face out the way here, you actually get 100 free priority bonus prompts. So right here we're going to see if the person you invite with your affiliate link purchases a qualified subscription, they'll receive a one-time bonus of 100 priority prompts. So that's above and beyond what your normal subscription will get you. So if you're interested, check that out. Next one is going to be Merch Dominator and Flying Research. So Merch Dominator and Flying Research are some of the tools that I use to do my research. So let's just do a quick little tutorial on how I like to use it. So I'll just come here to MBA and KDP, and we're going to go to and click on bestsellers. So click on the MBA, then click on bestsellers. And then I like to click on the sorting tab right here, and I like to sort it to newest. And just going to hit search, and we'll be able to see all the newest trending designs. Now, a lot of the stuff here I would stay away from. So like this right here, you know, this famous baseball person just passed away, so you don't want to do anything like that. But this right here seems like a good one. Canada's not for sale. I actually made a design for that on my Creative Fabrica shop right here. Canada's not for sale. Let's see, what else do we have here? Whoops, wrong button. So this is a good one, CHD awareness. This has to do with sports, so I would stay away from that. Here we got Come At Me, Bro. That's always a funny one, 100 days. I would stay away from stuff like this. On my way to the gender splash and take a, you know, that would get you in trouble. Inauguration, well, that's tomorrow, so it might be a little late. Let's see if we can find another good one. So it looks like Canada is not for sale. Looks like to be the best one. Another one. Basically, I just like to come in here. I like to look for duplicates. I like to look for repetition. Anything else here that is pretty good? Okay, so it looks like that's about it. So if you're interested, sign up for Merch Dominator. Just a really good way to find or to see what is trending. You can make similar designs or put your own spin on it. And then I also like to use it to see what the competition is for those niches, because I don't want to be in niches that are too competitive. Next resource that I want to recommend is going to be Creative Fabrica. So these are the links to Creative Fabrica. If you want to sign up, you can get a yearly subscription for only $3.99 a month. And here's the link to my shop, Pretty Merch. And then here are some, oh, my course. I forgot my course. So I have a Merch by Amazon course for beginners. If you're struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon, if you're like, you know, stuck in tier 10, making less than $100 a month, and just not really understanding like how the heck to get sales on Merch by Amazon, I would highly recommend that you check out my course. It is for beginners. It's only $25. I think you'll get some good value out of it. And then I have those other links as well. These are more for like Etsy. So if you are on Etsy, you know, in my opinion, you have to have EVERBEE. It's by far the best research tool. If you click on this, you can get a subscription. I think it's somewhere around 20 to 30 bucks a month, but it does a really good job of showing you what is actually selling. So definitely recommend it. It shows you what tags to use. It's just a really good, by far the best research tool for Etsy. And then I also have an affiliate link for PRINTFUL. So PRINTFUL is who I use to fulfill all my t-shirt orders. It's who I use to fulfill these t-shirts that I got yesterday on Etsy. So if you're interested on signing up to PRINTFUL, check out that affiliate link. It will take you to this link right here. Oh, maybe it's not working. Oh, no, there it goes. Okay, I got scared there for a second. But yeah, so that's the affiliate link for Etsy. But that's going to be it for today's video. Comment below. Let me know what you guys think about this trending cat niche for TikTok. I think it's pretty a funny one. You know, the Chinese Red Note app is making Americans post photos of their cats as a tax so they can get into the app. I mean, come on, that's pretty funny. All right, anyways, hope you guys are having a great weekend. I just saw the Lions got destroyed. Well, not destroyed, but lost to the Commanders. Holy smokes, could they win the Super Bowl? Anyways, I don't know. So today is Sunday. I'm gonna go to the coffee shop, do my work, and then I'm gonna watch football. We'll see if the Rams can beat the Eagles. I hate the Eagles. Anyways, that's gonna be it for today. See you guys tomorrow. I'll have a video about proms. All right, adios. Bye.